are doing another episode and it's going to be about Mars. But first I want to get into where the heck have I been? There's supposed to be episodes uploaded daily. Where the heck have I been? Well, these past few days I have been very busy with schoolwork and showers. But the other day I was going to do one, but I felt like I was going to vomit. So I didn't really feel like uploading any content or talking to you guys. But yesterday I just didn't have time. I had so many things to do, but today is finally my chance. Mars. Alright, so we always start off our episodes with this chart. So here it is. So we're going to start with the easy ones. Mars is also known as the red planet. That is a very easy fact, because I know it doesn't look like it in this photo, but Mars is a very red planet. On the outside, you can just see that from the outside. And Mars is about 4.57 billion years old. So it is a very old planet, and it has two moons called Phobos and Deimos. These are some pretty easy facts. I don't have to research too much for this chart. Just one of them. So Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. That does not involve any research, you just have to count. The sun is a star, people, not a planet. Some of you think it's a planet. It's not. It's a star. A star. And people, say Mercury is our first planet. You can probably count this from our episodes, or maybe you're just such a scientist that you know the order yourself. There's Mercury, then we have Venus, because we're going in the order of the planets, the order that we're doing the episodes, and then we had Earth. That was our most recent one. Like when I gave an update on me, then I was busy with schoolwork and I felt like I was gonna vomit, and that's why I didn't have a new one, but yeah, it's the fourth planet. Then we have Earth and Mars. Today's episode. The days and seasons on planet Mars can be compared to those on Earth. I'm going to have to Google this. I don't know. I have no idea what they're talking about. Alrighty, people, say, what does this statement mean? Say, a day on Mars is very close to a day on Earth. They're not that far apart. And here we are into the seasons. Say both planets have seasons due to their axes tilting. That is allowing a comparison of how these cycles occur on each world. Alright, we're doing it a bit differently today because I don't want our episode to be like super long, so, So, Mars is also known as the red planet, the god of war. I don't know how to explain that. The god of war. I don't know how to explain that. So, the diameter is 6,779 kilometers. So that's just the diameter. That's just the diameter of Mars. What is Mars' actual temperature? So the temperature could be any temperature between 153 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. And it doesn't have to be 153 or 20. It could be it could be it could be 155 or anything past that. So the distance from the sun, 328 million kilometers. So basically what this means is like the average distance between the center of Mars and the center of the sun. The distance for Mars is 328 million kilometers. And every single planet in our solar system has a specific average solar distance, and that determines their classification and characteristics. Sorry, I don't know why I googled that one. Alright, so now we have the length of the day, which is 24.60 Earth hours. Okay, so I'm going to kind of explain this to clear it up. So here's the definition. So a day is the duration of just one complete rotation of an object around its axis. Say a full day on Mars is a bit longer than an Earth day. They're not that many numbers apart. It lasts approximately 24.6 hours. Now we're gonna get more precise. A Martian solar day is 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35.244 seconds long. Say the length of the year is 687 Earth days. Say I might be able to get more precise and more into detail. Say this is longer than a year on Earth. A year on Earth is 365 days long, right? You know why it's longer? Because Mars is a bit farther than the Sun, and its speed travels slower than Earth's orbit. Say it's like takes longer to orbit. Alright, pooey. Say, let me explain this. On Mars, if you have an object with a mass of 1 kilogram, that would have an equivalent weight to an object with a mass of 0.38 kilograms. That would be like on Earth's surface. So what does this mean? It means that the gravity on the surface of Mars is 38% of the gravity on Earth. And the moons are Phobos and Deimos. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that second one right. Alright people, I should be back with another episode tomorrow, so please subscribe and like this video and watch my previous episodes. Bye people.